Welcome to Sign Up Simple and my GetResponse tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be learning about custom fields. This video is number 5 of 12 videos in this video series. And if you are not already signed up with GetResponse, I have provided a link in the description for you to use to sign up. We used in the previous video a predefined custom field to collect birth date, extending the number of data points that we are able to capture. In this video, I will be showing you how to create your own custom field. The first thing you are going to do is navigate to Contacts, Lists, Custom Fields. Here are GetResponse's predefined fields. Here are all the fields that you can capture, but we are going to be defining our own. So we select User Defined and then click Create Custom Field. Specify a custom field name, in our case, age. Type is going to be number. Select line of text. We can add a default value and we click Save. We have created our own custom field, and you are now also able to pass age along with name and email to GetResponse. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you are not already signed up with GetResponse, then I have the link in the description. Also, the next video should appear in front of your screen here. See you in the next video.